In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Google Drive storage subscription. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is open up a web browser and head onto a site called one.google.com. And then from here, we need to make sure to sign in. As you can see, I'm signed in. And then click onto the gear icon on the top right hand corner of the page. And then from here, you're going to be inside Google One settings. There should be an option that will say cancel membership. Go ahead and click on cancel membership and then click cancel membership. You should get a confirmation that your subscription is cancelled. And now if you've signed up through the App Store, so if you signed up for Google One through the App Store on an iPhone or iPad and later switched on Android device, you can't adjust your membership or change your payment method in the app. To update your account and other info, you need to use the App Store or another device. And also they've got a refund policy, so Google storage plan purchases are non-refundable. So keep that in mind. The amount of storage you purchase is yours for the length of the subscription, even if you decide to cancel it. In some country regions, you can end your subscription immediately and receive a partial refund. And now when you cancel your Google One, you'll stop future Google One payments. You and your family members will lose access to extra member benefits and Google Experts via the Google One app and website. You and your family members will lose access to additional storage, and you also lose access to premium subscriptions like Nest Aware, Fitbit Premium, and YouTube Premium. And also, if you cancel while you're using more than 15 gigabyte of storage, you'll notice some restrictions. For example, Gmail, you can't send or receive messages. Messages sent to you are returned to sender. And also you've got Google Drive, so you can't sync or upload new files. Sync stop between your computer, Google Drive folders and My Drive. You can't create new files in Google Docs, Sheets, etc. And also Google Photos, you can't back up any photos. So keep that in mind before you unsubscribe to Google Drive.